Spice interviews with Vibe magazine.
So I can leave you with the British voice if you want that, you know?
No, we want a exclusive something.
Triple, there's a right, there's a offer, there's a yeah.
That's it? Don't pretend like you froze. Because I see you.
And Jada Kingdom respond to people calling her a cokehead.
Well, call me cokehead twins because I love it here. I love over here, so I love this for myself. I never happy so yet. I write this so I sit down. I'm a now move.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. So Jada posted that snippet of her and Diani Feelings remix. It's Diani's song, and she posts a note along with it and saying that since she can't officially release no song right now, what she gonna do, I just go through and remix some of her favorite song them from I guess all the artists them. You see what I say? So this is the first one with Diani. So people, I asked it from my community section already, but me ask it again. What would I like for hear Jada remix? So moving on now, people, let's talk about what Jada said on her story. She posted this video, our series of video. You know, it's split up on the story, but me put it back together so no can hear what she has said, right? And this is what she had to say to the people them where I play hypocrite. She said people are chat shit about her on other pages and then I DM her and I tell her like, hold up head sis, and the girl talk, the motivation. So she have a message for them kind of people from where the message she post, and I say, don't bring no message to her because she got disrespect the messenger. And today she finally made a video and talk. So hear what she has say.
Hypocrites, hypocrites, hypocrites. Get out of my DM. Get out of my DM. I literally just see two female DM me saying basically don't mind social media and don't follow what people are saying. And them two same page there, I literally screenshot over another page I done me. But oh yeah man, she dip on coke for chew. Look how she slam down and suck out like bag juice and fuck you. Fuck off. Go suck a mother, go suck a dog. I don't want hypocrite as friends, family, nor fans. Just move from around me. Come out of my DM. Because if I never address this, I used to yes, I have elephantitis. Or I look like Humpty Dumpty. I look like Willy Polly. I look like Barney. The amount of things be used to hear. And I never lie. So what am I do? I work on it. Because I'm never comfortable with myself neither. I work on it. And not just today or yesterday, but I understand if you don't see me draw down in space for 1 month, but a good 2 years now, I go gym in and out, I try to eat right, I switch to being pescatarian, I Lego rice, I work out, I this, I suck on the mother. Well, call me cokehead twins because I love it here. I love over here, so I love this for myself. I never happy so yet. I write this so I sit down. I'm a now move.
Yeah, people, so you what Jada deal with, she's back and she's back in full effect and she just attacked the things them. So now people want to show now a video with Spice. She did an interview about her song on the album, the whole thing. So here is Spice, I say, here goes.
It's just hits after hits. It's a great album. Shaggy is the executive producer. It not getting no better than that. I'm being led by a legend. My act, my feel good.
How did that link up happen, by the way?
I'm sorry, I'm just telling you, but I talk Jamaican. You looking like what is she saying?
No. I think we have a delay. I think we got a delay on this. Because
because I thought you were wondering what I was saying because it freezed for a moment.
Yeah, I froze. Sorry, I froze. You know I hear you. I understand everything you're saying. I know we have to wrap up, so I wanted to get to the point. I do want to quickly ask, you know, what's it like working with Shaggy, and how did that happen? Because I couldn't have imagined you two even being paired up together, but it's so great to see that.
Working with Shaggy has been amazing. I tell people all the time, if you come to send me a face product, your face can't full of bump. Your face has to be clean and clear. So the fact that Shaggy is such a legend and has so many hit songs, he's able to lead me, direct me, you know, in the studio and stuff. But you know, if you never sing a hit song, you can't tell me what to do. You can't come to me with foolishness. So working with Shaggy has been extremely amazing. He's humble. Sometimes I forget that, oh my God, it's a legend. We are very down to earth. We work together well. You know, his wife and I have a lot of history. His kids and my kids used to be in the same class. Well, his daughter, I'm saying kids. His daughters and my daughter was in the same class. So we have a great chemistry. It's like a family. And I just want to say, big him up. Mad love and respect. Big up Rebecca, his wife. Mad love as well, because there were times when I could call anytime, and he's with Rebecca, never get a screw face, always receptive and welcome. And that also helped me to create with the legend, you know. So I have to give respect to his wife as well.
Yeah, amazing. So many never did know say Spice and Shaggy Pittman them guys see him school. Well, me wouldn't know that unless she talk it or Shaggy talk it or somebody where they actually know. But I'm glad that she said that, right? Because when you see how things go, when you see how links come about by the kids them going to see him school, right? But people don't know say Spice is a marketing genius all the while. She plan and do something, you know what I mean? I think them panogram will make everybody pay attention to her, and then she drop what she want, drop, give with the surprise what she want, give it. But what we just learn is that Spice can do this on spot too. Because in the next piece of clip when me I go show no, me I go show no what Spice do when she want to roll out and I want we tune them. Take a listen to this. Here goes.
Nice. Well, you know what they say, behind every great man there's also a great woman. So it's always, and it's teamwork, and that's what you're also saying. There's teamwork, and it's shout out to the veterans who are actually using their time, their experience to teach, because as they say, teach one to teach the other, to teach the other, right?
I know my hope and dream is that everybody in dancehall will just start to unite and come together, because together we're a greater force to be reckoned with. There's so many people out there who's taking over our genre and claiming it. So now it's time for us to come together, and that's why I'm even so elated that this track is doing well. So I hope that it will inspire other artists in Jamaica to come together and just make great music.
Right. We'll respect for you. And by the way, before we go, you said we're friends, right?
Yes.
You said we're friends.
We are friends.
We go back a long way. We're not those friends, but we're not frenemies. We're real friends.
Real friends. We go back a long way.
I want to say thank you for always supporting our work too, because that makes a big difference on the people, you know, when we put our energies into things. All that to say, I'm not going to end on a depressing note. I want to end on the fact that after you said we're all friends, you must give us something exclusive that's coming on your new album, because you're not leaving just like that.
But I don't want them to hear them.
I know you don't.
I don't want them to hear the other.
Oh, by the way, I saw that one of your videos, you had an English accent. So
I did. You know, when I speak proper English, we're going to the British, because a lot of people don't know I used to live in England. So I can leave you with the British voice if you want that, you know?
No, we want a exclusive something.
Triple this, or right this, or over this, or yeah.
That's it? Don't pretend like you froze. Because I see it.
When I see you again, I give you a piece of what's on the album.
All right, girl. I'm going to hold you to that. You know I am. Anyway, you look amazing. You look great. Shout out to you. Congratulations one more time. And
I love you.
When we see you.
Love you. Big up yourself. Appreciate you.
Love you too.
Big up all my fans, besties. I love you guys so much. Thanks for the support. I really appreciate it.
All right. Bye, Spice.
Yes, so Spice said the album is great, even though I fear her album, she go say that. But, you know what I mean, judging from Shaggy working on it and them take so long for come out with it. Me feel like it's all good. Me don't know what I feel. Tell me down in the comment section. Also, tell me what you think about what Jada say and what people are say about her, you know what I mean, and her response what she just say. Alright? So me just all leave it there. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody wanna stay safe out there. Big up on yourself for a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.